Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine and you are safe. And welcome to Gotham Model Schools. Today, I am going to teach you the lesson of class 3, that is living and non-living. Okay. So I think most of us know that what are living things and what are non-living things. Okay. Even though I will explain you and I will tell you. I think most of them, if I will say that, what is this chalk piece? This chalk piece is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, this is non-living things. If I say about you, me, I am moving, I am saying, I am explaining. So, I am a living thing, right? And what about you? What about you? You are listening. It means you are living thing, right? And what about the spangles? Yes, they are non-living things. The living things which cannot move, which cannot feel, which cannot grow, they are all non-living things. And living things where they can feel, where they have sense organs, where they can move from their own. If the bus is coming from one side to another place, only a living person can drive and it can come one place to another place. Bus is a non-living thing but that driver is a living thing. Okay, so you can understand what is the differences between the living things and non-living things. Okay, living things, see, we are the living things, whether they are plants, whether they are animals. See, plants, they can grow from a small seed to a big tree, right? So that changes, that growing is a significance of living things. Okay, that shows that they are living things. And yes, it can breathe. Don't think that plants cannot breathe. Yes, plants can respire and they can do the process of photosynthesis to prepare their own food, and they can survive and they can live. So that is the reason the plants are also a living things. Okay, children. So now, one dog is there. Dog. Okay, it is barking. It is moving from it is barking on one person. Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, dog is a living thing. And it sees a person is throwing the stones on the dog. Should we do that? No, we should not harm any of the animals. Okay, so that we have to do. Okay, now children, I want to make sure there are a lot of differences between the living things and non-living things. All in our environment, it is a combination of living things and non-living things. Okay, let us see here the living things and non-living things. See here, the living things, they can move. The non-living things, they cannot move. Okay, now the living things, they need food and they do not need food. Okay, now here, living things, they can grow, they feed and reproduce. But the non-living things, they cannot grow, feed and reproduce. You can see the examples. Examples are plants, animals and human beings or humans. Okay. And in this, the table, the chair and the pen, etc. Even the planets, they are also, Earth is a planet. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Even the planets are also considered non-living things. But they are natural things. What are they? They are natural things. We cannot create the planets or we cannot create the plants. But we can grow the plants, but we cannot create them. Okay. So they are natural things like stones and like rocks and soil. They are natural things. The star, the sun, the moon, they are natural things. Okay. Even we are the natural things. We are created by the nature, right? So we are the natural form of things. Okay. And few are non-living things and they are unnatural. They are artificial and they don't have any life in them. Like what you can say, all the non-living things, whether that is table, that is board, that is tube light, anything, they are non-living things, and they can't grow, they can't move, they can't feel, and they cannot reproduce. Reproduce means like plants are there. Plants can give the seeds, reproduction, right? Even the human beings can reproduce. They can give their young ones. Okay, that is called as a reproduction. Okay, so then if this chalk piece is there, it can give a small baby of chalk piece? No, na. So this is only the chalk piece, right? This is a non-living thing, right? So see, in the same way, the living things can reproduce, even the natural things like us human beings and plants. Okay, but few natural things, they cannot grow, like food. Food is a natural thing, but they cannot grow. We can eat them, right? Yes, few things are like that. Okay, and the few artificial things which are made by the human beings. Who has made the table? Human beings. Who has made by car, this much of sports car, and this all cars are there, na? Who has prepared them? These are all prepared by the human beings. Okay, so these are the differentiate between the living things and non-living things. Okay, children, let us take the example that I have to throw a ball from here to that side. Okay, so that ball is living thing or non-living thing? Exactly, that is non-living things. But I have thrown at the ball. So I am a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, I am a living thing, and I am a natural thing. Yes. So which is created by the nature, that is called natural things. Which are created by the human beings, they are called as unnatural or artificial things. And living things which are there in the nature and which can grow and which can move and which can breathe and which can reproduce. Non-living things, in this nothing they can do. Okay, we are using them for our comfort. Okay, so thank you so much, children, for listening the class, and I want you to differentiate between the living things and non-living things. Please write three. Please write 3 things. Okay, 3 points for differentiating between the non-living things and non-living things. Okay, please give the examples also. Thank you, children.
Huh? Huh?
À. Có gì vậy? Cái kiến không chú lại. Ngã đi.
Huh?